basang-basa ang dagat. Aba'y damang-dama sa'king kalam ng punong-puno ng pananabik at ng kabalalim. Sa'king bawat paghinga nakatitig lamang sa iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa altar ng simbahan. Hahagkanan, di ka bibitawan, wala na akong mahihiling pa.
Babe, sa araw na ito, sa harap ng batas at ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, pinipili kitang maging asawa at katuwang sa buhay. Hindi ko pinapangako magiging madali ang lahat. May mga araw na mapapagod tayo, magkakamali, at hindi magkakaintindihan. Pero pinapangako kong mananatili ako, makikinig, uunawa, at pipiliing ayusin ang lahat. Kasama ka.
To my babe, Maria G. I choose you every single day. Pangako kong mamahalin ka, kahit minsan mas tama ka kaysa sa akin. I will laugh with you with you, at sasamahan ka sa lahat ng saya at pagsubok. Sa bawat pangarap at kahit simpleng araw lang, I promise to be your partner and your best friend forever. To our little Gianna Mariel, I promise to be the father you deserve, to guide you, protect you, and love you unconditionally. I will nurture you, teach you, love with you, kasama ang mama ko, through all the days of our lives. Babe, with you and our daughter, I am home. I commit my heart, my life, at lahat ng meron ako para sa inyong dalawa. Mahal ko kayo, now and always.
All the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. And then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times.
Giel, pinapangako sa'yo na kasama mo akong tutuparin ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Yung mga travel goals natin na syempre nag-umpisa tayo sa Taiwan magbiyahe, yung mga pinangarap natin sa sunod pang Korea, Japan, 2026, although buntis ka at manganak ka naman sa 2026. Hopefully one of those country is kahit paano magkaroon tayo ng isang outside the country travel for 2026. So same as with 2025, diba? So either Japan or Korea, yun. At syempre, bukod dun sa mga ganong bagay, yung mapapangako ko is yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo at hindi yun magbabago. Alagaan kita. At syempre yung sa magiging anak natin, mas lalo pa akong maging masipag, mas papakabait, ganyan. So, mas focus na siguro. Mas focus pa. Giel, mahal na mahal kita.
I promise to love you honestly, to respect you, and to be faithful to you sa hirap at ginhawa. Sa saya at sa luha, ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw. Ito ang aking pangako sa'yo, ngayon at sa mga darating pang araw ng ating pagsasama. I love you.
I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. And then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free. And I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I